Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to uninstall any software or programs on Windows. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. At the desktop screen, you need to click on the menu section that is on the bottom of the left corner. You click on it. To uninstall any software or the programs, you also can directly go to the control panel by searching it and uninstall the application from there. As we are going to go through the settings, so you tap on the settings. Inside settings, there you can see the option of apps on the left side. You click on apps. Scrolling to the down, there you can see all the applications. Now you can go in for selecting or choosing any of the application or the programs that you want to uninstall. As I'm going with a zoom, you need to click on the application first. Now you scroll to the little down. There you can see the option of uninstall. You click on uninstall. The app and its related info will be uninstalled. You click on uninstall. With that, the Zoom application has been uninstalled from my Windows. This is how you can uninstall any software or program from Windows. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to uninstall any programs or software from PC or Windows. Thank you.